In what is considered a controversial budget baseline tactic, Senate Republicans are using a current policy baseline to assume the 2017 Trump tax cuts never expire, allowing them to bypass the $3.8 trillion cost of extending them. This produces a deficit illusion. Under this tactic, the bill appears to reduce the deficit by 508 billion, but traditional accounting shows it would increase the deficit by 3.25 trillion. Now, during the course of this action in getting the bill passed, Republicans sidestepped a former ruling by the Senate parliamentarian asserting that Budget Chair Lindsey Graham has the authority to set the baseline under the 1974 budget law. Senate Democrats, led by Chuck Schumer and Patty Murray, condemned the move as a budgetary gimmick that breaks precedent and undermines fiscal transparency. As far as the political stakes, the tactic is critical for Republicans to stay within the annual $1.5 trillion deficit cap for Finance Committee provisions. This enables the passaging of the bill under reconciliation rules without Democratic support. So what does this all mean? We're using financial engineering and specific accounting methods to dismiss the cost of the 2017 Trump tax cuts. Those tax cuts cost $3.8 trillion. We're saying because they're in effect now and set to expire in 2025, we're not going to account for them going forward, as it's already a done deal and that money has already been spent. And this does affect our numbers. It affects the current deficit. It affects the overall spend of the bill. What's going to be written in the history books? That's another topic for another day. But this is something that we should all be aware of because it's these clandestine actions that we're not privy to that overall will affect the quality of credit in our country, the amount available, and overall our fiscal and monetary policy. It looks like Congress is just throwing caution to the wind. And again, when the numbers get this big in the trillions, who's even counting anymore? Let me know your thoughts.